Good morning, dear students. Today we are going to discuss two topics of the chapter electromagnet and working of electric well. We will also discuss comparison of CFL, LED and incandescent bulbs. Okay, let's begin with the electromagnet. So what is electromagnet? As the name suggests, it is made with the two words named as electro and magnet. So you have already read about magnetic effect of electric current. So this effect is used to make electromagnets and it has very important applications. So let's see how this electromagnet is made. So here you can see the iron nail. We take the iron nail and the coil of wire is wrapped around it and the free ends of the wire are connected with the switch and battery on the other side. And when we switch on, the electric current is passed through here. This coil of wire that is wrapped around the iron nail, it starts acting as a magnet. As we have yesterday also discussed, when the electric current is passed to the iron nail with the coil of wire, it acts as a magnet and behaves like a magnet. So this is how electromagnet is made. So electro word means because we have given the electric supply and the magnet as it is showing the properties of magnet. So you can define it as long as the current is supplied to the iron rod, this behaves like a magnet, and the more number of turns we give and the more powerful magnet it becomes. It has got very important applications, for example in the electric bulbs and in the powerful cranes. You must have seen in the news when any accident occurs, then the damaged cars as they are very heavy, so to carry that damaged cars or other things, the cranes are used. Okay, next let's understand the working of electric bell. So many times you have heard the sound of the electric bell, the working. You must be surprised that how we just press the switch on and the voice and the sound appears. So how this sound occurs, so we will understand the principle behind it. So this electric bell, you can see the inside view. It has two iron rods made with a cast iron. Iron has different types: pig iron, cast and wrought iron. So this is one of the type, and the coil of wire is wrapped around it. Then on the one side of it, parallel to it, one metallic strip is inserted here. Metallic strip has hammer on the one hand and the coil is connected with the metallic strip from here, and the other end of the metallic strip, it is connected with the battery and that is connected with the switch. So when we press the switch on, this current starts flowing here and current starts flowing from here, and then it starts entering the iron rod through this pathway, and the this rod, it starts behaving as a magnet. As you know, when the coil of wire is wrapped around iron rod and the electric current is applied, it behaves like a magnet. So when it acts as a magnet, it attracts this metallic strip towards it. When the metallic strip will come, and automatically this hammer will also come. Hammer is attached with it. So hammer strikes with a gong that produces the sound. So gong, when is a strike with the hammer, this produces the sound. Clear? Similarly, when one time the switch is pressed on, this circuit continues, but the moment hammer strikes with the gong, the again electric circuit is broken and again this full flow is broken. Other time we will press the switch on, then again this circle will continue and this produces the same sound. So this is all about the working of electric bell. Thank you. We all have seen tube lights, electric bulb, CFL and LED bulbs. Today we'll discuss what is the difference between them. So tube light and the bulb. As you know, in the earlier times electric bulbs were used, but there is one disadvantage: when the bulb is switched on, some amount of electricity is wasted in the form of heat that is not needed. So that is why some other things were invented with the passage of time. And then CFL bulbs, that is compact fluorescent lamp. You should note down its full form: compact fluorescent lamp. So these were invented. These are electricity efficient devices and consume less electricity as compared to bulb and tube light. Then LEDs were invented. LED, you should note down its full form also: light emitting diode. These are in fact better than CFL bulb and tube light. These consume very less electricity as compared to these all. But there is one drawback with the CFL and LEDs, as these contain mercury vapor. So this should be disposed of very carefully, as it can be harmful for us while disposing. Thank you. Have a nice day.